Let's tackle problem number 560. Subarray sum equals K. The problem is like you are given an input vector like 1, 2, 3, 4 and then K equals to 5. We need to find the number of subarrays whose sum equals 5. So that's the problem definition. You can check the LeetCode website for more information on this problem. So I call this as running prefix map pattern because that's what we are going to have a running prefix map as and we traverse through the vector, and we are using the map data structure, so that's why the naming. So like we have the total subarrays set to 0, and then there is a cumulative sum which keeps increasing, and then at each point we store them into the map. The initial thing is set to 0. I'll explain later, because of if the index starts at 0, then this needed sum will be 0, and so that's the reason why you need to set it to 1, where the case where the index starts 0 and then the subarray equals K. So you go through the vector and then keep a running tally of cumulative sum, and then you calculate the needed sum to make the K. So we check whether this needed sum is in the map or not. So if it is in the map, so you can basically assume that there is a subarray where starting after the position of needed sum until the current location, then it is equals to K. And so because there can be negative numbers, you need to add the count of the subarrays which are equal to the needed sum, and at the end of it you basically return the total subarrays. But in the first case, if the map you cannot find in the map, you need to increase the prefix cumulative sum by 1 to make sure that it can be used in the next iteration. So in this case, for example, if you have 1, the cumulative sum is 1, so prefix count sum also is 1. In case of 1 and 2, the cumulative sum becomes 3, and in the case of 1, 2, 3, the cumulative sum becomes 6, and at this point the needed sum is basically a 1. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and 1 is in the map. 1 is in the map. So the actual subarray is the element after that needed, where the needed sum is 1, and until the current point, which is 3. So that's what I meant. So let me know if you have any questions or comments or suggestions. Please like and subscribe and share, and also hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video.